ProKegel Male Kegel Trainer. This device is designed just for men to help rebuild pelvic strength quickly and quietly, right from the comfort of home. They say it can give you thousands of Kegel exercises in just one session, helping improve things like bladder control and even sexual health. Sounds pretty good, right? And they promise you could see results in just a week, all without surgery or medication. But is it really worth it? Is this product safe to buy? Let's find out together. First up, the good stuff. I really like that they gave clear step-by-step instructions on how to use the trainer. It shows they care about making the whole thing easy and hassle-free. Everything was explained in simple, helpful ways, which makes the whole experience smooth and straightforward. It's always nice when a brand puts real effort into helping users, don't you think? Also, their customer support stands out. They have live chat, a phone number, and email options, so you can reach out however you feel comfortable. That kind of quick, easy access to support really makes a difference when you need help or have questions. Okay, now let's talk about some of the things that gave me pause. First, they claim the ProKegel is FDA cleared, which sounds reassuring at first. But here's the thing. I couldn't find any clinical data, certificates, or solid proof to back up that claim. Without real verification, it's tough to fully trust that it meets official medical standards. That made me question how transparent and accurate their statements really are. Next, they say the product is endorsed by healthcare professionals and even claim it's the world's #1 selling Kegel exerciser. Sounds impressive, right? But again, no proof or real data to support those claims. It feels more like marketing hype without some solid evidence behind it. And lastly, about the reviews. Their website shows only 5-star ratings, like every single review is glowing and perfect. That's pretty unusual, isn't it? Plus, they say they have a 4.9-star rating on Trustpilot. So I checked Trustpilot to see for myself. Turns out, the actual rating there is 4.2 stars. That's quite a difference, and it makes you wonder why there's such inconsistency. On Trustpilot, some people praise the product for effective exercises, good design, and real health improvements. But others complain about poor customer service, confusing return policies, and product quality that didn't meet expectations. So, what's the final verdict? The ProKegel Male Kegel Trainer definitely has some good points. Clear instructions and helpful customer support for starters. But the lack of verified FDA approval, unsupported endorsements, and inconsistent reviews mean you should be cautious. Some users do see benefits, but transparency and quality seem to be hit or miss. If you're thinking about buying it, just keep these things in mind and maybe do a bit more research. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews. Catch you next time.